wahala be like Nigeria. You know they finish. My people, if una see wetin just hit me now, I even still dey recover. Seriously, this police person just catch 2 gay partners. You understand? People wey dey he catch them. He no just catch them. He come dey ask them question. After he don beat them, they don beat. If una even see their body, hi, you go even pity for these people. They beat them finish. They still dey video them on top. They ask them. In fact, the kind things wey they ask them, I don't want to talk am with my mouth. You understand? Now why I just wan go straight to this point. So for una wey no know wetin dey happen now for Naija, the matter dey very very serious. So join me, make we watch the video.
Oh yeah, now they talk. I wanna tell the fuck each other. How many times fuck am? Why you now hear they talk? How many times fuck am?
3 times now fuck am.
Eh?
3 times.
3 times now you fuck am?
Yes sir. You carry condom for us. Some man no fuck am with empty quick. Man use condom. Inside small basket, the condom, the extra condom sit there inside.
Eh.
Yes.
How many times suck your dick?
As in for 1 hour safe, I never still come. They suck me steady. That other because they open the room, they distract us, because they press. Because man not lock, because they lock the door, give me that's my body. Because they steady sucking. That person I say, oh Bob, relax. So now you tell me say you just come me. So I not do. I used to control me from whichever just come. They ask you say as you carry me close.
They open your eye, they talk.
Sag must fuck am. I swear to God, I fuck am 3 times. I pour 3 times.
Huh?
How many times you release?
How many times fuck your yash?
I'm not like when he fuck me, he not release. But the fuck me more than like 2 hours, he still they fuck me.
More than 2 hours?
Yeah.
You see they fuck you?
Yeah.
Eh?
Eh? Wait now.
Talk now.
Why is making not flog me now?
No flog her now.
Eh?
Come face your wife.
See my back.
Face your wife now. Mona face each
My
other.
wife on her business, make for me money.
Yes sir. Oh yeah, face her now. But not you fuck her.
They find 3,000.
Oh, yeah?
Say brother-in-law.
How many times now you call fuck her?
3 times now fuck am. 3 times now pour.
3 times now you pour for your yash.
Yes.
How many times you suck your dick?
For 1 hour now I suck my dick.
1 hour.
Yes sir.
Now you suck your dick.
Yes.
Young man,
Sir.
how many times you suck in dick? Talk the truth.
Yes. Like wait is just for 1 hour see the socket.
You know he come.
Eh?
He come.
No, he not come.
He not come.
He not come, yeah.
He not come. How many times he fuck you?
Normally, all of our fuck now for parlor. So,
How many times he fuck you?
now you just fuck me 3 hours now we fuck. So normally I was not cutting the fuck based on it just there on top of me.
How you got do I take the lie down means do I wanna take?
You not even like that, sir. You not like that.
Oh, no, wait. Keep quiet now, not talk.
Sorry, sir.
Oh yeah, do as you said for her, do it till they fuck you. Marcia.
But that didn't not flog my back.
They not go flog your back.
You don't do it, then I go flog.
Do it now.
Okay, see sir.
Oh yeah, you stand up.
Oh yeah, stand up, do it. How you doing? Like do it now. Bend down now. Okay.
Open the trouser.
No.
I just do it.
Now so you did, but the back go deep where we get you probably like woman own for a shower quarter.
Yeah.
Now go the fuck am.
How you take the fuck out do
Now
it?
start the fuck am, bro. Steady
Eh?
the fuck am.
For how many hours so?
From after 2 to almost 4 o'clock.
Now you fuck her.
Yes sir.
Oh yeah, it's okay.
Now wow. Now if una go agree with me, no be only girls they do runs. Now we don't get runs, boys too. Because based on the story we una don hear now, una go understand say the guy do am because of money. Now wow, my people, as una watch this video now, I dey so many of una, some of una laugh, some of una cry. I don't know whether una cry, but if una ask me, this video, e no too funny. E dey funny, but e no too funny. See, if una dey see me well, una go know say every day I dey talk against these people. I know they support am. In fact, 1,000%, 1,000,000%, I be number one. We know they support this thing. But at the same time, I know they like when people they treat human beings like say they be animal, like say they no exist. You understand? I don't support them. But I don't like the fact where police see the treatment where they give these people. It's not fair. Because see, una go dey clap, una go dey yes, hail them. The same policeman where they deal with these people, una don't check in life. Una don't check in lifestyle, no at the ask, because now wetin they want make una see, they go show una. Africa. See, we no get the same choice. Times go come where you go against person choice or person likes. You understand? No be the same thing, but beating them no go bring solution. Embarrassing them, I be disgracing them, it no go make them change. Una don't understand. In fact, after they recover from this thing, they go come go do the one way worse past that one. See police people where they, in fact, they be law on their own. Police people, now them even be the law. See what they do. And this one now, where they do, for their mind, they punish person, they discipline person. Not be like this, they discipline. The only thing we wanna go achieve now to show citizens, say, now like this, una supposed treat gay, now like this, una supposed. Now they understand why Donald Trump even make statement when he make when they call us shithole countries. Now they understand that. No, what's be the difference between the shithole way in talk and the behavior way police people they give us? What is the difference? There's no difference. If the law, according to Buhari administration, be the Nigerian administration, if the law talk say, okay, anybody will do homosexuality, may they arrest them, lock them up. Now what did the law talk? No be me. So lock them up. The law never say beat them, disgrace them, video them, do this one. Why you go humiliate people when you know see even you yourself, you know be perfect? I beg, no get me wrong. I don't talk this thing like 3 times. I no support them. I talk about homosexuality. I no support them. But at the same time, police don't do bad. Now poverty they cause all these things now. You don't go blame them. Now poverty. Imagine say these 2 guys now wanna just watch. Imagine say they get money, they get cars, all those exotic cars, they get house, mansion. No, imagine. This thing go be like this. Everybody go see and waka pass. They go waka pass. In fact, they go even they hate them. They go even they send love emojis. The way they say and now what they do for Bobrisky. They fit try this thing for Bobrisky. No, I just they ask una. Because now I go they think say I just they overtalk. Try am for Bobrisky now. See Bobrisky where they Nigeria, they walk up and that even they do selfies, they teach. Now she don't even become ladies teacher. Nobody talk, oh. Nobody go look for and say we go beat you, we go video you. The only difference between these people who I just watch now and Bobrisky na money. Na money. If you like, agree. If you like, no agree. I don't talk my own. If you dey against these 2, I don't even know what I want to call them. But if you dey against these 2, and you dey support Bobrisky, you are the biggest hypocrite I've seen in my life. Biggest one. So people go even they preach against homosexuality. Some go they talk about that. You don't turn song self to our ears. But go check them. If Bobrisky post something, they don't go like him. They don't go to hail him. I even see one where even shock me. Like, you know, understand? I don't even feel talk. Person they tattoo Bobrisky face, Bobrisky name. In fact, not be smart, you know, my people. I bet, I just say una go they doubt now. So I bet for una we no know, una we never see him before. Because me I know sabi like, join me, make we watch out. Woo. Yes. My people, you feel dey against something. You feel dey against somebody without violence. Violence no be answer to things. Abeg, that policeman, we need look for that man. He need pay for wetin he do because this thing is harassment. This is harassment. We need look for him. You understand? Now, why you need share this video so that people wey know im voice, maybe person fit know im voice, e go come tell us. E dey very very important. We need look for am. So na my own be this. So I don talk am. If you get any information so far, whether im name, where e dey stay, with im family, anything, drop am for that comment section. We go look for this guy. You understand? My people, true, nothing is hidden under the sun. Now, wow, this matter, they show so many of una sef don't even forget say e exist. E concern Tonto Dikeh, Churchill, and the Rosy. My people now go remember matter wey been happen before between Tonto Dikeh and Churchill, her ex-husband. That period for now we no know they get serious issue before they separate. Where Tonto Dikeh go come outside, they tell us say her husband they beat am, many wahala. So Tonto Dikeh come finally tell us say okay, person they involved inside this matter. Say woman they sleep with her husband. And that period when she dey talk am, nobody dey believe, you understand? Everybody dey think say this woman don mad. This because the Churchill himself to go come outside, they give us the own side of the story. So everybody just confused. Hey! Now my people, Churchill himself don come outside, come do announcement, come dey showcase. Hey, this matter they do me somehow. He don't bring the girl outside. They wish her happy birthday. Now we don't find out say they don't dey married for 2 good years. And person wey I dey tell una about, na go dey shock. His name na Rosy Meurer. 2 years. And matter even reach me say this lady and Tonto Dikeh they be best friends before. So nobody fit even separate them. E good to listen to people, my people. E good to listen. E no good to just dey say you just listen to one side of story. See, people wey wear the shoe, na them know where they pain them. So now finally everybody can realize say Tonto Dikeh been dey right. No, relax, because now I no go understand. So I don't bring the wetin they call that girl name, because before they even interview her, you understand, when this matter they hot, they ask and say, you how far now? Wetin you get with this man? She herself come outside, come they tell us plenty matter. So before I go even talk, you understand? I want make una listen to wetin she tell us before. Then una go hear wetin I get to tell una now. So join me, make we listen to Rosy.
It's irritating to the ears. It's just like saying, are you sleeping with your brother? Like I said again, and I repeat myself, this is someone that he's a mentor to me. This is someone I look up to. His person, he has a very good heart. There's no one that wouldn't want to be identified with someone that has a good heart, someone that gives a helping hand. Me, I'm very certain that being managed and being under Big Church Group Foundation, I'm very sure of a very bright future, which I'm going to say, I really have nothing to say about this because it's really irrelevant to me. They're in peace. They're happy. I don't know about what you people are saying, but you guys should get your facts straight before bringing things out. It's really not relevant to me.
Brother kill you there. Brother kill you. Anywhere you sit down now. My people, imagine all the years we don't pass. All of us deny Tonto Dikeh. Anyhow, me, I no deny her, because right from the one, I don't always suspect say this man 1, 2 dey inside. So all this while this woman been there right, and she been there suffer. Churchill now don't come, he don't post the girl picture, even write romantic birthday message. I be put am make they see what they talk about. He write romantic message. My people, no be smart, you know. Wahala, this one a real wahala. We wear bomb shots. Yeah, he has a good heart. He's generous. He's like my brother. So all this one is like your brother, but you and your brother they under. My people, fear women. Some women, make I talk some women. Fear some women. Especially those ones where they do, my bestie, my brother. I see him as a brother. I see him as... Those ones, fear them. Something they inside. Something they inside. Now this one too don't come join. All of you now, we they watch you now. we dey watch. Una go come outside, come swear. Una go come promise. Una go come explain. All of them together. Now we dey here. Now here we dey watch una. No, make una continue to see us as mumu people. Una think say we foolish. When this girl come outside, come do this video before, people just dey talk many things, and I dey tell them say something dey go on for here. I dey tell them say something dey happen for here, because if okay, as una watch the video now, even for the face that time, you go know say something dey happen for this place. How you go cause your fellow woman this kind pain? Your woman, no, and they even be best friends before. Now we say this, you no even get heart for as you do like this. You no get heart. Person wey take you in, love you, and una know. See, I know they talk say Tonto Dikeh na perfect human being. Everybody get your own bad side, you understand? But Tonto Dikeh be person wey, if she don't love you, if she don't take you as her own person, she go do anything. Now the kind human being which I dey tell you, I don't deal with am before. I dey tell una. Now see wetin this one don't come cause. See, karma dey real, but law of nature, e dey sweet. You don't hear wetin they talk before, say person wey destroy another person just because he won't succeed. Destruction dey wait for that person for front. So I know say this matter now, you don't cause tension. Make una relax una self. No, see, relax, not just stress yourself. You understand? Take popcorn, take coke, sit down. Una go see how this person marriage, these people, una see how it go collapse before our eye. No, I know they swear for anybody. Now just normal thing will supposed happen. You understand? How can you just be happy after you destroy person? Like some people are not just understand a matter, and they go dey so comfortable. Like say now God send the husband to them, say Ngwanu na your husband be this. Time go soon reach. Time go soon reach. Every day we are sitting here, I dey warn una against this thing. Stop dey follow people husband. Stop dey follow. Anytime they talk, una think say I like dey talk or I no get anything to talk. Make una relax. Last, the truth go still come outside. Una remember that year where some people even they insult Tonto Dikeh. People they call her mad woman. People they call her different names. Make she shut up. Make she get out. Now see, my people, wetin this thing they try tell us now be say, no matter what the problem be, it go take time, but the truth go surely come out. Now the message behind this thing be that. How you go build your happiness on top another person pain? And you think say it go last. Like for your mind, you feel say you don't get husband, you don't get family. Check them where. You're not gonna just check them. It no go last. And right now, as it be like this, are they happy for Tonto Dikeh? You understand? Because before, if this thing just happen like this, Tonto Dikeh no too dey waste time. She would just come outside, start dey make noise. But now she don't mature, she don't dey mind her business. I beg my sister, keep it like that. You understand? No answer anybody. Now they don't see say na true. Everybody go one constant they talk. I never doubt this woman. From day one. Now remember that period where she go come outside, they tell us say church, they do rituals. When she enter one of your room, you see red candle, black candle, different things. Since that period, I started to suspect that man. Check am when person don't they talk something about one particular person. Check am. Atom of truth dey inside that thing. I never doubt am. Where they beat am, where her mouth go swell up, many wahala. And now you don't go carry your ex-wife best friend, say you marry am. Some men, una wahala na carry come, na follow come, all of them. Because I not just understand, person wait off una even start, una even get picky. Like how una dey think sometimes? Wetin dey enter una mind? E no go better for many people. Una go think say na insult. I no dey insult anybody. I just dey tell una, because if you just sit down balance, say with your own conscience, you dey do person wickedness, and you think say your own go better, you no fit better. You no fit. And for una, husband snatchers, we una know you na dey waka with cutlass. Anywhere we una see chance, una go just dey hit. Make una continue. Tomorrow we dey here for una. Tomorrow now una go come outside. Come dey make noise from social media. They disturb. Una dey comfortable. Relax. Now here I go dey when I go still bring this girl matter for una. This girl. I dey tell una before. I no believe this girl. I no believe this girl. Abeg my tonto, relax yourself, you understand? Just relax, watch this movie because it just started. These people, they go soon come outside now, this one go soon come outside now, they cry. This man, when he start dey pound fufu on top your head, your eye go clear, e go open. No be me talking. No stress yourself, my people. Now I say make I bring this matter come on aside because now it don't dey hot. Una don see say secret now don dey come outside. Now like that it dey happen. So we dey wait for the other ones we promise. I no wan mention name. Una know, you understand? Those ones we don swear finish, we don promise finish. Their matter go soon come like this ones. Abeg my people, na the matter be this. So drop your comment for the comment section. I want to know everything wey you think concerning this matter. If you think of wetin Tonto Dikeh suppose do now, drop am there because it go reach am. You understand? And if you never subscribe, it is very, very important. Click on that notification bell too so that you no go miss anything when we drop. Meanwhile, stay tuned for our next story. Rosy Meurer don send me make I give una better message. She tell me say, Madam Aproko, I wan make you deliver this message to una. Now why I bring am now? And she say make I tell una say una dey jobless, una no get anything to do with una time. You understand? So make una better go use una time well, go find job instead of make una sit down. They criticize her marriage, her new wedding. You understand? Because she and Churchy now they dey together. So for una we no say una dey insult her, una dey tell her many things. I don't deliver. No be me this one I don't dey see some of una eye don't dey turn red. I beg. She just send me make her deliver her. Now why I can't give una this message? You understand? Hey. Madam, we don't hear you. You understand? We have heard we are jobless. No problem. But you know the way me, I go use this scatter that your face. Hey, if divorce time come, you can't they disturb us. They send us messages. They beg us, make we. Now there you go. No say this my eye. They turn to green. Make that time no reach. As you don't call people jobless, we don't hear you. See my hand, they up. Because I no go just sit down, make you come dey insult people, and I go just they look you like that. Now they sweet you because you see my people, anything we new they sweet. Anything we new for this life, it they sweet baje. Now when the thing don't they fade, now they will go come they see in face, they open mouth they talk. If I be you, you suppose they cover that your face. You don't understand? If you dey walk out for road safe, no allow me people they see you. You no go even sit down. So okay, we'll make you first thank Tonto Dikeh. If not before this Tonto Dikeh, we don't even know you. Nobody even who you be. We don't even know so this person exists. So you start a send Tonto Dikeh Thanksgiving message. You understand? Make congratulate her. Say, Tonto, thanks to you today, I am popular. I am known. From brother to husband. Now so your life just they go. You know the shame. Shame don't come up for your dictionary. You know. My people, this Rosy. Now why they tell una every time say make una dey careful? You copy Tonto Dikeh dressing. You copy Tonto Dikeh lifestyle. You copy her makeup. You copy tattoo. You even copy husband. Huh? I clap for you. Your own kind of best friend, I don't know. See, Bia, make I tell una where they do bestie. I go soon down on her head for war. Because una know the hear word. See, from best, you even carry the person husband. They do my brother. They question you finish. You say my brother. Now my people, truth don't come outside. Ngwanu, all of una way they criticize Tonto Dikeh that year. How far? How market? Una don't see say truth don't come outside. Very loose human being. You just anywhere you see opportunity, you want jump. And una dey hail am. And they see some of you now. Now even they tell and say yes, it's good, it's this. Where that boy, Uche, Bring that, put that one here, make people they see am. This one are the number. In fact, number one, I don't even know what I go even call yourself. Whether you be human being, abi you be cockroach, abi you be which name una get for this guy? Because I not just understand. This one even come outside now. If they tell Rosy, if they give her words of encouragement, you open mouth, they tell her say Churchill has always been her destiny, her destined man. So may she not allow anybody judge am. May she fire they go. Hey! Una know they believe. I bring her come on a screen. So for now, we don't even know how you talk and who be Uche. I beg join me, make we watch the video.
Dear Rosy, don't let anybody judge you. From PA to Mrs. na elevation. You dey hear me so? He has always been yours. He has always been your man from day one. Because destiny cannot be changed. Some people have been calling me on phone telling me that I should talk. What do you want me to talk when God has blessed somebody? Churchill has tried. And now God has put smile on his face. I pray for every woman looking at this video. This year, may you be a Mrs. I don't care what you were before. It is your destiny. And I celebrate you. Nigerians always talking nonsense. That's how they're insulting me because I'm gay.
See this cockroach. When no know in left from in right. You don't know where to go even make am blow. You say you be actor. From actor now, you don't enter homosexuality. From homosexuality now we go, yes, say you be very confused human being. You never even straighten your life. You they can't give person advice. Even open man, they have been calling you on the phone. Who call you for phone? Who know you? Who? Na just a lie. Open mouth, they need that this one. How come they never use this guy for sacrifice? I beg. How come? All of una we no say now work, una dey into this thing. Because come carry this one, no. The money we go fetch una. I should say the baba go give una better money. Come carry am. Because I don't even know what they do for Nigeria. They call you. Call her to you call. See, this man, he don't do all the thing we fit do for this life to become popular. But you know they work. He don't try. See, in village people, they solidly behind her. Now why people know they prosper for this life? Check them. All these people where people like say things they work, but you know they work. Go check their background. Very black things they hang for their walls. You come outside there. Instead of you to support the right thing, they come outside, they encourage. No, people like this now, how now they expect, and some of them now go they follow them, your mentor, your leader, your this one, all of them now be the same. When it comes to sense, all of I'm not talking anything, I just tell say now they the same level. You come outside. How come you know where your red? I beg go wear your red brow. Be like saying only that brow they give you sense. As you wear shirt today, your sense you don't come out. See in face like banana where they don't condemn. Not make me and you get serious matter for you because as a day like this, I ready to carry this case to any level one I won't carry. I just they pray say they even do this thing to you. No. I be want to say maybe they do it to your daughter. But as I they see in life, I'm not sure say this one go even get. So make you just leave her. They go do it to your sister because as for sister, I no say you get. So that you go know how they feel when they do people things. You understand? When your sister marry and she call report to you, say, brother, another woman has taken my husband. I won't see what you go do. How you go feel, how you go react. Back to you, Mrs. Churchy. If they sweet you now, you are in fact, you know they step ground like human beings. Now you are an angel. You have been set on a pedestal. You understand? I don't come back to you now. Prepare. Because karma is very real. And karma, as it be like this, I don't see in steps. You go soon reach where you did. Prepare. And make sure say you not disturb anybody because we will be jobless. Since you have called us jobless. Ngwanu, your divorce, it go worse. The one way happened to Tonto Dikeh na small one. Explosion. It go reach worldwide. So make you relax. Enjoy it now. Where the thing is sweet. Because when it start to be bitter, Now only you go sit down there, drink am. My people, now the matter where I don't bring una for this. So drop your comment, any message where you get for this one and Uche, drop am for that comment section. You understand? They need hear us. And make sure say you subscribe and share this video. Make everybody know wetin dey happen for this house. Stay tuned for our next stories. My people, una go dey very shocked because this thing where I bring for una now, all of una wey stand up, you better sit down now. You understand? My people, I can't jam one story now from Ghana, all the way from Ghana. Now, so person come tell me, say, Madam Aproko, if una see how they treat herdsmen for Ghana, I can't say sure. That's why I invest inside this market. My people, una need see how they deal with all these herdsmen for Ghana. No be the one way they do for Nigeria. Nigeria even they feed herdsmen. This one they no get their time and they no they even take nonsense from them. So right now, as I dey talk to una, all the herdsmen where they Ghana, they do on serious fire. So for una when no know wetin dey happen, before I go come give una my own update. You understand? Join me, make we watch how Ghana they treat herdsmen.
Are the Fulanis better than us? Can they shoot better than us? Can they do the military and police job more than us? They say they are guerrilla tactics, they are guerrilla fighters, and they are going to ambush you and shoot you. Please, I beg you in the name of God, nobody should die in the bush as a police or soldier or whatever. We are going back with our number and come back with our number. And to be safe, if you see anybody holding arms want to attempt you, please don't waste time.
Hey. Omo, una no dey see say Nigerians they use our head. Because I sit down, I ponder on top this matter. I say lie, I must reach to my final destination. That means Nigerians they use our head. All those politicians, they no una no watch This one no be say I can explain plenty English. Na visualization. Na bring that so that I go visualize am. Una no visualize. My people, something is fishy. Una dey see how Ghana they deal with herdsmen. Meanwhile, Nigeria even they feed them. Nigerians they pet them. They see for Nigerians to even come outside talk say herdsmen supposed to carry AK-47. No, make una balance this equation. Video one job. I beg, okay, for now, we're not even there aware of the AK-47 matter. I beg, put this video, make these people see what they talk about.
And now, because a Fulani man is practicing the tradition of transhumance, pastoralism, he has been exposed to the vagaries of the forest, the animals, and now the cattle rustlers who carry guns, kill him and take away his commonwealth, that is the cows. He had no option but to carry AK-47 because the society and the government are not protecting him. What is his fault? It's the fault of the government and the people.
So now, based on what you just watch, compare these two videos, Ghana, Nigeria. What be your conclusion? So now una go agree with me, say these people they use our head. Heads may not be the problem when Nigeria gets. No. The problem concerning herdsmen for Nigeria, they come from the politicians. Because before, I mean, they think say they no fit do anything about these herdsmen. No be say they no fit do anything. They fit do, but they don't want to do. It is very obvious. See, it is clear as water. No mix am. Because how you want explain, say herdsmen supposed carry AK-47. How you want explain now? For una to see. Ghana. Oh, I will say we fit just switch. Just even if it's just for 1 hour. Una know the massive revival will go happen for Nigeria concerning herdsmen. Make Ghana just, you see all these people who deal with herdsmen. Make Ghana just borrow us. Hey, I know they ask them for 24 hours. So, just 1 hour. Hey, we go give glory to God. We go dance. See how they kill all their cows. But for Nigeria, they don't take cows as God. Cows now, they be second God for Nigeria. If you even touch them, you go get serious problem. Not to talk say you dey kill cow. Hey, let me say that you don't buy Nigeria problem put for your head. What a shame. What a shame. Una even see how Ghanaian headsmen, they beg, say I beg, oh, just give us 2 days, oh, just give us 3 days, oh, say we go do something about that, we go come out, we go do, they beg. Hey, Naija. In fact, headsmen now, they don't even pass politician posts. Now headsmen now they dictate next movement for Buhari government. Chineke Jehovah. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. See, you no go blame all these headsmen. We not blame una. You understand? Because the head of headsmen, they are the top now. Now why una just they feel say una feel misbehave, una feel do anyhow. And some people now go come outside, come open mouth, they tell me say, Buhari no take blood covenant with headsmen. He took blood covenant because I know they see waiting, they tight all of them like this together. Where they don't even feel, Buhari no feel take one decision where no ask them first. Now go come they talk plenty nonsense. See, Buhari now, he don't give Nigeria to headsmen. Nigeria now, they for their hands like this. And he don't give them too much credit. The credit don't too much. They just misbehave. Because governor of Ondo State don't talk am. He don't give us go ahead. So I no one here win. Anywhere you see cow, kill them. Una see how Ghanaians they kill their own. No waste time. They don't give us go ahead. So because we know they tolerate again. We have tolerated enough. This is just Ghana. I'm not to say now but where you go say their lifestyle is different from our own. Because this is Africa, neighboring country. Where you go just put one leg, you don't enter Ghana. Neighboring. If you even throw stone, you go reach Ghana. I know they talk of London. See how they behave. Na Nigeria want carry cow men, headsmen, Fulani men, all the men for their head. Now God go judge all of una. All of una way, una know wetin una they do for secrets. Now God go judge una. Me, I no go talk past this one where I just talk. My people, wetin una think concerning this matter? I beg, my fellow Ghanaians, I know say una they watch me. Biko borrow us. You understand? I know they ask for 24 hours, so 1 hour, pere, just borrow us. You understand? Then we go return on our men back. We need this operation killing cows. We need them for Nigeria. Be my people, wait till I think. Street dog that comment for that comment section so that we go battle this battle together. We go conclude that together. You understand? And share this video. Click on that notification bell. If not, you go they miss everything we get for you. Stay tuned for our next story. Hisbah commander arrested after they catch up on top of another man's wife for hotel room. Hey, Chineke, I know some of una now go dey confused. Hisbah cops now one religious police force where they for Kano State. They deal with they arrest beggars, they arrest prostitutes. In fact, many wahala. And this man where they talk about in duty now to arrest unmarried people. People who never marry, where he catch them for hotel room, now in duty be that too. When he himself he can't end up the fall inside that same gutter. No be the one way they see say it don't happen, I don't tell her, it don't happen, they don't catch her. This one, bush meat don't catch hunter. Imagine saying in duty now to arrest them. Now, I bet who can arrest this one now? Nigeria is full of drama. Nigeria. The man don't, he be like say he don't tire to the catch people. The thing don't hold out. You know, feel hold again. You just say, Madam, let's just do this thing. And I saw they can't catch him red hand. This man where they tell you about you know they alone no. They get group. I said they be police force for Kano. These people go different people's bar. All those places where they sell drinks. They go destroy everything as long as say na alcohol. They go destroy and break camp. Say, you know they allow, it they against their religion, meanwhile, now them they drink. Now them they say, if you see where these people they drink, you go dey pray, you go dey make they take am easy, make they take am. Na lie. Bloody hypocrites everywhere. Una go dey do, but when person do, you come be like say na person dey sing pass. Why na life just be like this? I no just understand. You know say they do something. At least they get how you go even treat people based on say for your mind. You know say I always they do this thing. So make a tamper justice with mercy. But no, there are plenty now because we just catch this one. There are plenty. If you see where they gang, the way these people just they take religion personal. They don't even take religion more than the thing where they supposed to take serious. They don't forget their obligations. Now they just you know, I don't know if you not even understand. You know when you don't they used to waking up 5 a.m. in the morning and the first thing you must do is drink water. It's not as if you are doing it because you want to live healthy. You are just doing it because that's how they train you. That's how now so they live now. They break drinks anyway. They say alcohol, anybody where they say they humanize, they arrest them. No be because they get knowledge of what they do. Now just because say okay, they say make we do it. Evil people everywhere, every corner. Now wow. And now this one they parade themselves. They parade themselves. They say they work for Allah. They work for Allah. I beg, I know they against Allah. Are they against the fake life when they live? Now my own be that. I know they like person way go they behave A, then when they see other people they behave B, then when they see, I know they like them. If you are straight, be straight. If you bend, be bent. No go just keep una sense for one place. Make you know say okay, at least these people get sense. Una they destroy people's back. They break their drinks, but yet they don't catch you now with another man's wife. No be even say another person girlfriend or wife. She's married. So now this one, what they go do to her? As usual now, we already know. Hello, we know how they work. We go just leave this one now and make it go. They not go do anything. Oh, this one they bring her, they do us serere. Nothing. Tomorrow now you go see and they parade the streets of Kano. Like say now your papa get the whole of Nigeria. Now so they do. These people, I don't tire for their matter. And they show say the same alcohol now where they destroy for people back. Now waiting him and this married woman use. Now waiting two of them use take bola themselves. You understand? They hit themselves before the main action will take place. I just imagine for how long this man don't they do this thing. I just imagine because for the first thing we catch them now, no me say nah it just happened. It means say this thing it don't they go on, it don't they go on, it don't they go on. So now God just say, Oga, your cup don't full. For how long will I go to deceive people? And imagine how people even they live in fear in that kind fear because they know how their people they behave. If you not like deny me till tomorrow, I know say this man he get gang. He oga self. They know how they connect their wires. No be the same thing will happen to Osama bin Laden. Now the same thing. They experience the thing from teenagers. They use the teenagers. They practice. Wait till they see. See all these things we know. So if you not like cover up, bring them out. We know. We know be today. Why not they pretend? Not be so now even they feed person self. We do on our own. You understand? But the only thing be saying now as this matter don't come out, be cool. All of you now just they respect yourself. Bia, all the people from Kano, so now they listen to me now because I'm not saying that they listen to me. You understand? See, no allow anybody intimidate you now. Because it's obvious. This thing we don't they talk and see, but now no they listen. Now we don't come out. If they obvious say these people, they know they don't get any value. Forget them. You understand? Live your life well. No disrespect anybody, but at the same time, no take nonsense from people. Because see people where they fear. At the end, wait till they do. See, I don't tell you this thing before. Behind the scene, the kind things where una go they see, una go shock. But when they come in front of una or in front of TV, they do like say they be righteous people. They be Now today as they for back. I better forget those people. My people now I say make I bring this matter so that when I go there where waiting don't happen now. And this thing a big shame, big disgrace to all of now where they inside this Hisbah commanding, be police force, be cops, anyone where you know say you belong. Shame on all of you. I bet my people drop your comment for the comment section. I don't get time for these people. And make sure say you share this video because they need to hear this message. And if you never subscribe, then we're not go fight too. We go fight too. Just click on that. It's very simple something. Stay tuned for our next story. Any cow seen on the street must be arrested. This topic alone, una no understand. I don't dey dance since, I don't dey dance, but una go soon know why they dance. You understand? This matter now, it come direct from Governor of Ondo State. He say we must put an end to all this nonsense. Where cow they waka for street, human being too they waka for street. Cow, human being now they compete. Who go cross road? Who go there? In fact, many wahala. So I don't bring the man himself. So for now, we don't know who be Ondo State Governor, and una never hear him voice before. Join me, make we watch the video.
They were banning open grazing. And if you see a cow, we arrest it. So if you see the cows, we arrest them. If they are moving, they can't move in a accurate time. I won't allow it. It's not going to happen. We must put an end to it.
How many of una they think what they think right now? No, if you don't say you dey on the same page, me and you they flow for the same direction. Ungwanu indicate now because now all this thing where this man just talk now, I hear am. But the only thing where dey my mind like this, I just the vision, I dey visualize the barbecue way go start the rain now for now. You know, yeah, he say arrest any cow where you see for streets. And to arrest cow, you know, go carry cow, go police station, and I be saying at your house. So just imagine, oh, party after party. Hey, party. This one a real enjoyment. Imagine if you catch, see, since 2021 beginning, I know say few governors don't come outside going to give us, and some of them make sense, you understand? But this one sweet to pass because it involve Osho free. This one they give me joy back to back because I don't tire. Since Buhari entered that seat, Fulanis they think say Nigeria na their own. Person no even fit drink water drop cup because Buhari dey sit. Now so they go dey waka up and down with cows for city again. For city. I remember one wey even happen. If una see how cows cause traffic, people they think say maybe na police people where they front all those last mile where they, you understand, they stop cars, all those things. People stop car for how many hours? Because hundreds of cows they pass. What arrant nonsense? I agree with this thing. This arrest, we must arrest them. You understand? Because I don't see how we go they drag this thing with animals. Which world we dey now? I don't even should say this one at 21st century. Because it be like say we even they go back. Instead of make we they go forward, we even they go back. Just imagine. Excuse me, cow, you are under arrest. How the thing they sound on our ear. And you have the right to remain silent, or else anything you say will be used against you in the court of law. In fact, my people, they look for this man. I get gift for them. Special gift for this one. We don't call. You know that son? Oh, see. This one now, Nigerians now, they go there a lot. Anywhere Nigerians, they work now, they go, they look. Whether they go see cow, whether... very easy something. Just gather people now, go just... See, I beg, any cow we wanna catch. In fact, from now, if we kill them, we go share out to all those less privileged. You understand? May they get something to, you understand? And I beg, see, so they beg una, you understand? See, anyone where you na catch, check and wear. May no come be say, una go chop boo-boo. If you know, you know. I don't need speak plenty English. Make sure so una no chop boo-boo, because I still need them. You understand? Because... I don't tire for these people. Herdsmen. Fulani matter don't fool. In fact, Fulani matter, you don't overtake security and other important things when Nigeria they deal with. I dey tell una serious thing, and now don't bring una better secret. This one make una listen very well, because I'm not gonna talk am 2 times. Oh, listen. All of una wey no say una dey prepare to marry. This is the right time. Free meat. No, which other one you dey find? You know how much be cow. Imagine say they plan to marry and you want kill cow. Now money. So please, now suppose. You understand? See, ladies, grab that your man, push him, pressure him, let the wedding start taking place. Now all you have to do, go to the street, carry cow, kill the cow. You have given the right, you have given the, see, just do it. Just I mean now, I'm not ready to marry. If assuming I'm not ready to marry, hey, now five cows I will just kill like that. My wedding, no rice, no nothing, just cows and drinks. Very simple. Because these people are not tired. See, you know how many lands these people get for north? Northern lands, they even big past most of the other lands where we get for Nigeria. But yet they go leave that one, come they grace for our own side. If you dey find land where una go use feed una animal, go to your land. No come they use your own, they spoil other people own here. I don't understand. City come turn village. You never fit differentiate city from village. Village you see animal. You enter city, you can't see animal again. Wetin happen now? We born una. Una no know where people were born una dey or una leader. No come stress us. So abeg this year we need peace. Already we don't get enough problem for this country. So no come add to the one way they do us. Abi my people, una agree to this one because I know so many of una now una don't they blush because free things don't enter inside. So please make una dey alert. Anywhere una see cow, in fact I give una second order and second permission. Carry the cow, now your own. You understand? When I don't hear that from the oga, the top himself. So drop your comment for the comment section. Anything where you know say you go use the cow do, or anything where you think say they supposed to do to the cows, just drop and they go reply on a one by one. Subscribe, click on that notification bell, and share this video so you no go miss anything when we drop. Stay tuned for our next story. Prophet Oduro, founder of Alabasta International Ministry, don't come disclose the real amount where they suppose collect as bride price from all those girls. And according to Ran, he say if you date 21 years old, where your oranges they sweep ground, you understand, they don't turn to broom. He say your bride price supposed reduce pata 200 cedis, and I think say that one for naira is supposed there around that kind 20,000, you understand. For bride price, oh, now be say all of una know na self because make I not start to talk too much. Una we know they believe wetin they talk, because anytime we come here, now always they bring up stories. Join me, make we listen to the man himself.
Enkami mi hunu ya we bebuno obi amfa ne nsanka ene ya listen omo de generator shemu ehame omo de laptop shemu ehame omo de asase kura shemu ehame na de aye use ama onufo what the 21 years onufo atiegu from 21 years na bejina asa bejin puma puntuma epofensia yede yete 200 Ghana ebusia penny emfa 50 no mama 50 no mama papa 50.
Hey, Asemo, hey, Ghana. Let me say this man, as una hear now, this man, he dey aware of all the in and out, what of una they do. No, not be me talk. If not me now, I go they talk. He don't come talking by himself. But he dey funny, and at the same time, I know they funny. Because I know say now as this thing don't drop, many people don't they laugh. Some people don't see me and they look this thing from two angles. You understand? Because if we want to look at from my side now, as man of God where this man be now, you come outside, you say they can't teach your congregation. So as this man wake up this Sunday morning now, no, like God not tell and say, okay, oh, this is not the topic where you go teach. This man just wake up. Say na orange being topic. Now only God know where to even ginger this man from bringing this talk outside. Oh, be like say don't the whole and sins. Mr. Pastor. See, my people, make I just tell you the truth, sincere truth. This one are from my heart. Me, I know they talk say waiting talk is good, and I know they talk say waiting talk is bad. You understand? But not be everybody gets breast way for all in the name of sex. Some people own they natural. You know, say some girls, their body na, how do they call that thing? They get this saggy body. When if some of them say feel be virgins, but the thing never, nobody don't enter that side, but the thing don't fall. Some people own are due to the plenty windows where they come in and out. You understand? So everybody get your own body. So this one where this man don't come talk now. I don't know what ginger am, but see the ignorance now where they people head it, they alarming. See, make una do research before you go come now. So see now because of all these things where some people they do now. See this man now, he don't cost many girls now go do surgery. Because some people go they feel say, my body no good, oh, my body do this one. Now they don't feel see pressure everywhere. They go enter machine now. See they must they okay. Make una dey careful with you now they tell people. Man of God, I beg me, I know they against you, you understand? But my be say no condemn people. Because this thing now fit make person even go commit suicide. You know, see some people, their heart too they like this. And it's not the way you tell them now. They don't, and some people too they take things personal. Maybe this man they talk to a particular person. The thing go come carry and go personal. But now my matter now will bring me here. They say, I not just understand which side this man dey. Because this man now we come outside, they talk about 21-year-old people where their oranges don't fall. Say this one. Now the same man. We come out come they if una hear the kind things where they tell slay queens, make una gather here. Nobody waka come out. If una hear the things where they tell slay queens, according to I say all of una where they use una gardens, you understand? They make money. So una go perish with that garden. Una go fire with her. In fact, make I not just use my own English. So for now, whenever hear am, use your own ear. Listen to what this man they talk.
Your pussy. Hey, bring the camera, son. Bring the camera. All the young girls who want to make life with pussy, your pussy will perish with you in hell. May your pussy perish with you. May your smooth pussy, creamier pussy, and tight pussy perish with you.
If na me, they go say, but our Aproko hate slay queens. Una hear na, he talk am by himself. No be wait I don't tell una since. He don't come as I can't complete am. God give una hand, make una walk. God give una leg, make una walk. He give una brain, make una think, make money. Mbanu, una say na this thing una won't use till they collect money from men. They don't. Not be me swear for now. Hey, no be my mouth. As soon as see the video, una see my face for that video. Now the man don't come outside now. Come they tell una many things. Una don't hear am. Hey, people now they come they tell me say, Madam Aproko, this the man now as they talk this thing. See, no call my phone, no tell me anything. I don't want hear anything when I want talk. Now the man talking by himself. You understand? I ain't cause una. So nobody see. I don't know whether ask person for something. Because now people don't they talk say be like say one of the girls where he ask for the thing, the girl no give I don't swear for their garden. I don't know. Man be say stay in your lane. Stop. No they follow. See, I don't they preach this since una think say I dey joke. No use your team make money. Use your head make money. You get hand, you get leg. So use her make money. Now the same thing where this man talk. My people, I don't know for una way they attend the church. Una way know the man. Make una just dey careful, sha, because some kind things. See, filter the kind things una dey hear. No be everything wey person just talk bring una go just accept am. Filter am. No be everything you go take. You understand? Very very important o. Una don hear the matter from the man himself. So any comment wey you get concerning this issue, drop am for that comment section and share this video. Make them know wetin dey happen for here. And if you never subscribe, biko click on that thing so that you go dey subscribe. Stay tuned until our next story. Minister of Defence don't send another message. Come, why all of una just they use me as messenger this period? Anyhow, sha, he can't call me. He say, Madam Aproko, I beg send this thing to these people. I beg make una no insult me. Now message I can't deliver. You understand? And according to Ran, he say make una stop to dey coward. You understand? Say this responsibility not be only for military people. We una go just leave military people do all the protection alone by themselves. Make una stop they run away from minor aggressions. Say wait make I use in English. He say when bandits come, say they fit just carry they fit just shoot 3 times or 2 times. Blah blah blah. Now so people go start dey run. He say, why una dey run? Make una stand there and fight this fight. You understand? No be me talking. So Biko, for confirmation's sake, I don't bring am. So join me, make we listen to that.
Is it the responsibility of the military alone? It's the responsibility of everybody to keep alert and find safety when necessary. But we shouldn't be cowards. At times, the banditry will only come with about 3 rounds of ammunition. When they fire shot, everybody runs. In our younger days, we stand to fight any aggression coming to us. I don't know why people are running away from minor things like that. They should stand and let these people know that even the villagers, they have the competence and capability to defend themselves. But our own duty is to ensure no Nigerian is hurt, and we're capable of protecting the integrity of this nation. And we will continue to do it, even though we are so strong.
I beg. I won't make this be the last time I go ask this question. Who they supply these people with? Who they supply them? If you know say now you and you they watch me now, make that nonsense stop. Oh. Make this February be the last month for this year. Why una go they misbehave? How Minister of Defense go come outside say this kind talk? Defense. Una know wetin be the meaning of defense? How this man go? No, like I not just understand. These people like say if they sleep, they know they wake up for the same place where they sleep. You know what many Nigerians carry guns? If we bring guns matana, say we dey plan or may una support us for this one, una go call us hoodlums. No name una no go call us so. Now we have stopped the gun matter. You know what may we carry gun, but you want make we go fight. Which fight will they go fight? No, I just they ask. Which? Hey, wahala we both straight. Those people now, when they refer those bandits, if these people come they fight now, they know they come empty handle. They use rocket launchers. They get weapons. So we go just go there, say we they fight. We go stand with our bare hands, ordinary hands, say we they go fight. No, now we good to die. Then you good. Your own are just to stand in front of camera. They yarn nonsense matter where I don't even know. Imagine even open mouth to say when he dey young, in they used to this thing. Say in they fight when he dey young. Oga, you they fight when you dey young. How come you get escort? No, how come you get escort now? Only you. You get like how many bodyguards? And all those bodyguards where you carry, they get weapons past Boko Haram self. When you were young, when you were young, who is concerned? And on top of that, una go still they collect tax from people. Una not even they protect people. I beg, why will they pay tax? Why will they pay tax when government not fit doing work? What a shame. In fact, this one I don't know whether na joke, but may person just wake me up now. It always dey easy. Make these people come outside, they talk nonsense. If now so this thing they easy as you they talk, make we go fight. Ungwanu, send your children from abroad, make they come stand with us, they fight now. Send them. Why you go hide them there? Is it not fight? I mean my people, no be to fight. We go stand, but we need in children. And that stand where we they go stand and children, now their children go they front. Oh. We go there behind their children. You stand and fight. All the headsmen now una don't agree as una get meeting una agree say they go they carry AK-47 where then those ones too they for follow join for people wey go stand for front oh because now people who na don't agree now give weapon. See who they talk. Una remember the former chief of defense how he die? No be highway where they way. It dey easy to talk. It dey very easy. You get bodyguards. Your bodyguards get weapons. You yourself. I dey sure say even you get weapons. You get wetin you dey use protect yourself. Citizens, wetin una don give us. No be hopeless hopes. Today this one go come speak English. Wear agbada. Wear this one. Na the only thing wey we don receive from una. Yet insecurity dey even increase. Continue to the talk inside the nonsense where they talk. Just continue. You are talking in the nonsense inside the rubbish, inside the in fact, all of you see, make una just get out before I go do something where all of us go just regret because now my blood is hot. Which kind of talk be this one? You don't even care about anybody. You no just care. Abeg, Biko, all of you in uniform, except if you dey support this man. When next there is problem, war, something with gas to do with gun shooting for Nigeria, we go look for this man, may he go stand. That your skills where you get when you dey young, abeg, you don't take, we never even witness am. So you go come outside, may we witness, lead by example. You understand? You go teach us how to stand. You go teach us how to fight back. And after that one, if you survive, only if you survive, we go stand, then we go fight. But other one, your children must stay here. You understand? Charity begins at home. No come they tell us plenty nonsense. I be my people, wait till I don't talk now, way bad. I just bring my own suggestion. You understand? So if you agree with me, still drop out for that comment section. If you not agree with me, still drop out for that comment section. I go reply on a one by one. Share this video because this man need hear me. Because now my mission is to put sense inside anybody who no get sense. I'm not talking anything. I can't do good work. You understand? Stay tuned for our next story. New chairperson for EFCC. My people, Buhari don't dare at work again. This one, they latest. As I talk to Nana, Ibrahim don't come up for seat. Buhari himself don't write to the Senate this thing, content and say, nah, he appoint this new person. Say he don't remove that one because many corruption, many bribery, in fact, if for now we no even know this Ibrahim where they talk about he matter don full book. You understand? For this last year we just passed 22 corruption allegation against this man. Only one person 22. Ha! Omo, in matter don full for Buhari here. Now why Buhari now he don't say okay, oh, me step down because he don't get another one we go come on seat. And person where they come on seat now, in name na Bawa. They should say many of una go even know Bawa. This one, according to matter wey reach me, they say him get a BSc degree for economics, masters in international affairs. In fact, many things. They say the guy read books. Now they take over Ibrahim. What you not expect again? Senate go approve this thing. In fact, they do already approve them. No be one thing. Letter from Buhari, may Senate no approve am. They do approve am. See, as long as say na nod na, they involve. Forget them. They don't even sign and finish. I don't get any problem with changing of people. You understand? Where person no, they don't remove this one because they look for better person. I don't get any problem. My problem now with all this matter where they grant. Why we say every time na Abdul they concede? Every time Abdul, if no be not now, we not go hear any other name. When Nigerians they vote for president, we been they vote for president for the whole of Nigeria. We be like say nah. Make I not even involve myself. All of una know myself. APC, say Baba, see say Baba now. Now we get president for the North. We no get president of Nigeria. Northerners don't occupy. In fact, they don't carry all the space where normal people supposed carry. This Buhari tribalism matter. It don't tire me. Like it they shock me every day. I know say I not supposed they shock, but the thing they shock. Like as the days they pass, they get new shocking things. Buhari, make I even boss on head. Abi he change Ibrahim for Bawa. Based on corruption level, all those plenty things, you understand? Okay, now, una no go even believe, say, this same Bawa now, where they just put on that seat, Ibrahim be arrested before. Why? They say fraud, this oil matter. They say Bawa, if una see money where this man thief. Now Buhari now don't go brick, put for that seat. Why Nigeria no go dey the way dey? No, make person tell me why Nigeria no. It dey very obvious say na cow dey rule Nigeria. Cows. Now we no even know whether we dey move forward or we dey one place or we dey go back. Like, I no just understand. You remove devil assistant, then you can't put devil himself. So who they can't lead who now? If you say you dey fight corruption, or you say you dey fight bribery, even though you dey fight am, why you no look for person wey, see, I know say nobody dey perfect, but at least people still dey way better pass these two. These two now. Buhari, I no just see. I dey tell una this thing every day, but the day go come when I go see am. Buhari take vow with Northerners. E be like say they do blood covenant, because this man no be himself again. People just dey remote am. They remote am. They just tell her one thing, go just do am. Malam na malam o. Una go tell me say now this one read books. I no say read books. Malam still be malam. If you like, go school. If you like, wear suit. If you like, barb your hair. You still be malam. Nothing change am. See plenty things where this one go learn abroad. People go on the hail and now. Everybody don't dey tell and say read this one, do masters, do this one. All that one now with our money. With our money, where we see they suffer, now only one person go read all these titles. Just to consider. Una know how many educated Yoruba people they there, Igbo people. Make I not even talk of the rest of the tribes. Now Northerners, now only they rule. I for don't I know just know. See, I for don't sit down now. Tell this one say, I hope say you go do better. You understand? I be one wish and where. Before I hear say na bawa, I be 1 week, because as I hear say they don't change. At least change is constant, and we they change people because of good things. When this matter reach me, I don't dey happy say okay, at least this person go do well, this person. Omo, as I hear say na bawa, my people, I change my mind. I change my mind. I know they wish anybody well, because last they go come end up they do the same thing where this one they do, if not worse. So now when these people enter seat, una go they see their true colors. So me, I know they wish anybody good luck. I know they wish, if you like, as you sit down now, empty the whole Nigeria. You know go shock us, because we don't already they used to this system. No be new thing to us. We know how now they operate. You where they arrest before, you don't consider now. So this time around, waiting they can't tell us. Imagine person where they arrest before, fraud. Now they go soon start they give us advice. And when I expect me we listen to this one. Nigeria, now only prayers now feel hold this country. Anything aside, see, no meeting go change Nigeria. If you like, get 100 meetings in one day, it no go change anything, because see, for this country to be changed, the people in power need to be changed. We no feel that thing where they talk. You know, feel you put a new wine inside old bottle. It no dey possible. Everything must be new. Now like this, now they find change. Now like this, merry-go-round. You go remove this one, put that one. You go even very soon now they go soon go carry criminals as president. I no go they shocked. How now go they behave like this? Many educated people they where if you put them on that seat, something go change for this country. But no, selfish reasons. Nobody is looking at another person, only in people. I bet make 2023 reach, because as I dey like this, Oti sue me. I am tired. So I just dey wait for 2023. And for una, say Baba group, say Baba gang, go vote again. Oh. I be like say this one I don't swallow, you never do now. Now una bring and there, so una go endure all the things una put. Una go endure and join. You understand? My people, I don't bring the matter for una. So anything where you guys to say concerning this thing, if you agree, make this man Bawa dey on that seat, still put on there. You understand? I go reply on a one by one. Comment and subscribe. Click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything where we drop. Stay tuned for our next stories. I don't bring una latest update from Sunday Igboho. For now, we no know I'm the Yoruba human rights activist. No nonsense man. My people, now this one we they call say lion battery don't die. In fact, this man right now, he don't make up his mind and he don't wash in hand of anything we concern fighting for Yorubas, I be fighting for Nigerians. And according to him, he say he don't do in part So he hands they up right now, and they lead again, they fight again. You understand? Because in account they don't freeze them, and that one self even cause wahala before they even unfreeze them. You understand? And again, he don't go through many wahala all in the name of this activist thing. So, and he can't talk again, say right now they very disappointed in all the leaders. You understand? All those leaders where in do good thing for, in fight for, because the reason why in they fight all this fight now because of headsmen. And all those Yoruba leaders where they know themselves in saying they very disappointed. But you go blame him. We no fit blame this man because see, my people, they easy. Fight for 1,000 people. 91 person won't go fight. Haba. Una self make una get conscience more. This person don't as he be now, he don't realize say or you're not own. He dey alone. So he no fit continue this fight. It no dey possible. Except if you be one heartless human being where you go just come outside when they talk plenty. See, if this man continue this thing, now go just here say latest news, Sunday Igboho don't enter prison, or Sunday Igboho we supposed to prepare burial. You either die or enter prison straight. And as it be now, all those Yoruba leaders, they've refused to take action. All of them just sit down like plantain, we don't routine, we don't get strength again. All of them just sit down for chair Igbo. See, you people, you see, una just they sit down, una know they think some kind of things sometimes. Person where just they on your own, decide to come fight for una. Now una just sit down and leave am. I wish I feel get person we go come fight. You don't understand. Una no sabi appreciate people, all these Yoruba leaders. Una no sabi, if una sabi appreciate person, this man now, una for put am on a platter of gold. Because it dey very difficult for you to find people where go come do this kind of thing for una. Una expect am to lead fight with headsmen, only him. Shame on all these Yoruba leaders, all of una, shame on you. They don't buy una finish. How much how much una sell for? Corruption even enter, join all of una just they sit down, they watch. Yoruba, see, they persecute Yorubas and una sit down there. Una sit down instead of make una join hands, join force with this Sunday man. Make all these things finish. Una sit down there, una say na there, una won't die. Now they begin to understand many things. When Sunday talk before say Ooni of Ife, when he tell us say right now it is sponsored by corrupt politicians. All of una want swallow am. Everybody they bring your own thing. Una so na pressure this man so they go apologize. Ngwanu nah. See for una we no know. They get meeting last month. This king of Yoruba and Buhari, they get serious meet. I better put the picture, maybe they see what they talk about. See them. Last month, I know they talk of last year, last 2 years, last month. Meaning say the meeting they fresh. Una know what they discuss? No. Una know what they plan? No. But Sunday talk something. See, what with that way they talk? What a child, what an old man sees when sitting down, a child cannot see it even when he climbs the Aproko tree. This man already see this thing. Una condemn him, una insult him. He can't humble himself. He go apologize. Nah, no, una go agree with me now after una don't see this picture now. No wonder Sunday even thought say this man a Fulani slave. What if they discuss with Buhari when your people they under attack? When at this time, you supposed to stand as a king. Some people don't know reason why they did some kind of positions. Some people don't know. Not just mistake. They see, when I just appear there by mistake. I wish say everybody know the reason why they did where they did today. This world, make I not even use Nigeria because now everywhere. This world for become better place. So right now, Sunday Igboho don't wash him hand off this battle. For now we no now I bring this update. He don't wash in hand. So make una stop the column. Stop the get hope on Sunday because he cannot fight this fight alone. So because no support. See, oh, I just repeat all of una way. Una just they follow multitude. Una they follow crowd. When una reach down there, una go discover say una just waste una time. Imagine upon all the Yoruba influentials wey we get, both in politics, so both outside politics, so everybody just fold hand. Una leave this guy, no support, nothing. No, make I ask una something. If na you go continue. You no go continue. Nobody see. Hey, thank God say to Maya even talk her. This life I can't kill myself. Oh. I can't kill myself. Oh. I just say something. See, now in statement right now, he cannot die. Why should he die? When after he died, nobody will even remember him. Everybody will just the east. I beg you, my brother, Biko, I support this decision when you don't take. You understand? No kill yourself for anybody. They are not worth it. They are not worth it. You understand? It is very, very important. My people. So I don't bring in at this matter. Any matter where you want add concerning this one, drop it for the comment section. It is very, very important. Share this video, subscribe so that you don't go miss anything when we drop. Stay tuned for our next story.